Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video we will see how to publish PowerPoint presentation on Blogger website. So here you can see I have one blog that already I have written here, anti-hypertensive drugs. Its presentation I'm going to publish here at the last of this blog. So how we can add the presentation here, that will we see. So for that we will go first in Google Drive. For that we will click here for new tab. Here you have to click and you will find here Google Drive. Here you have to upload your presentation. For that we will go in Google Drive. Here you will find my drive that you have to click. So again we will click here and upload our file. Presentation you want to upload on Blogger, that you have to upload here first. So you have to select this presentation and open it. So it will be automatically upload on the Google Drive. You can see here it is taking its time. Now you have to find the presentation. You will find at the bottom of the Google Drive. Here you can see here, right click and open with, click open with and Google slide. Now your file is open. You can check sometimes what happen, your presentation, some data may change, so you have to check it perfectly. If there is some changes, you can manage it here by edit option. If you find it is all right, then you can go for file option. Here you will find this share option, and share you will see the publish to web, so that you have to click. Now you have to click here embedded and click publish. Say OK. Here you will find the embedded link that you have to copy. Now you have to go on your web page where you want to put this presentation or want to publish on the Blogger, that page. Here you want to place, so here you have to write 9. To identify this place you have to write 9 around 9 to 10 times. So you can see it is that much. It is okay. So now you have to go here, select the HTML view. Now you have to find on this page all the 9. Here you can see you have to select carefully all the 9 numbers only. And now you have to paste the copied link. Ctrl B. Now you can see the frame. Here you can change the width, height and width. So what you have to do, here you have to put 650 and height you have to put 600. Now don't touch any words and directly you go and select compose view. Now you will find at the bottom of this page, here you can see your presentation is already placed on its place. You can select it in the justify and center align. If you want to preview it, you can see by this way, update If you want to see on website, we will go on the website to see it. We will open new page. Now we can see website web page where we have placed the presentation. Here you can see it is available. Now you can click and watch all the pages one by one. So how was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.